Most guys, especially younger ones, find it challenging when they want to flirt with a girl. For a few, the ability to attract the opposite sex comes naturally. Maybe you've experienced awkward situations when trying to flirt with a girl. Research shows that these situations can worsen if you lack communication skills and experience. So, the sooner you start honing your communication skills and gaining experience interacting with girls, the sooner you'll become adept at flirting and catching their attention. Flirting is an essential skill for men because, naturally, you need a companion who can support and accompany you. Without this skill, how can you approach women and convince them to choose you as their partner? Sure, focusing on yourself and becoming a high-value man successful in your career and finances is crucial. However, you still need the skill to flirt to win over a woman. There are many wealthy men with high-ranking positions out there, but they struggle to attract the women they like. The reason is that they lack the ability to flirt. Flirting doesn't mean you need to prepare romantic lines or cheesy pickup lines. Modern women won't be swayed by such things. Simply put, romantic words or cheesy lines are no longer relevant. But there is one key element in flirting that has been used by men since ancient times and remains relevant today and for centuries to come, namely intention. Imagine you want to introduce yourself to a girl at a park or a cafe. When you notice her frequently glancing at you, as a normal guy, you recognize this as a sign of interest and decide to approach her. Initially, the conversation might feel comfortable and pleasant. You ask for her name, and she responds with her name. Then you ask about her activities, her address, or her job. After these questions, we can all predict that the conversation will become awkward, and she might start thinking about leaving because she feels uncomfortable. Can you guess where the mistake lies? If not, the answer is intention. Before everything happened, the girl was clearly interested in you, as she often glanced at you. When she decides to leave, the problem isn't what you said, but how you said it. Nothing was wrong with your words, but you've hid your true intentions from her. If you seemed like you were only making small talk, she would perceive it as your true intention to just be friends. That's how she reads the situation. And when she perceives this, she becomes uncomfortable. Imagine when she's sending you signals of interest and you respond with just small talk. This makes the conversation awkward. So, you see, you don't need romantic words or cheesy pickup lines to flirt with a girl and impress her. You can make her impressed from the first interaction by showing your intention. Let her know that you're approaching her because you're interested in her as a potential partner. When you ask her name, do it with a positive and enthusiastic tone. Look her in the eyes confidently, and don't forget to smile a little. When she responds, continue asking questions with enthusiasm and friendly body language, showing that you are genuinely interested in her answers. This way, she will understand your true intentions, making her feel more comfortable and engaged in the conversation. Regardless of your personality, whether you're an alpha male, sigma male, extrovert, introvert, humorous, or mysterious, never hide your intentions when talking to a girl you like. For example, a mysterious guy who hides his intentions will seem boring, but one who shows his intentions will appear intriguing and attractive. In conclusion, to flirt with a girl, you don't need to rely on romantic words or cheesy pickup lines. Just speak with intention. Don't hesitate to show your interest through positive conversation, friendly body language, smiles, and deep eye contact expressing your attraction to her. Okay, that's the video. Please like or subscribe for more content. Hope it's helpful. Stay high value.